So here's I found something on our calculator that can be very helpful. If we go back to this hummingbird question, 15 hummingbirds, sample mean of 3.15 grams, standard deviation 0.33 grams, and we want to do an 80% confidence interval. So what I found on our calculator is that if we go to stat and then over to tests, choice number 7 will let us do, it's called Z interval. And then what we can do is type in the standard deviation for this one is 0.33. The X bar, I believe, was 3.15. The number was 15, and the confidence interval, or the C level, they said 80%. We got to change that to a decimal, so 0.8. And then that will tell us right up here that it's between 3.0408 and 3.2592. So it actually does all those calculations for us without having to calculate the E or the um, or the add and the adding and subtracting on. So as another example, this one wasn't in the previous packet. At Lambert's Excavation and Gravel, they haul truckloads of gravel to construction sites. From experience, the owners know that the weights truckloads of gravel are normally distributed with a standard deviation of 115 pounds. The owners took a sample of 35 truckloads. They found that the sample mean of the weights was X bar 2,500 pounds. What is the 95% confidence interval for the mean weights of the trucks? So if I go back to this, again, it's stat, move it over to tests, 7, keep it on stats, right? So in this case, the sigma was, I believe, 150. Let me check to see if I'm right. No, 115. X bar was 2,500, 35 trucks, and I believe it's at 95%, so 0.95. So we're 95% sure that the population mean is between 2461.9 and 2538.1. So it's a little nice on our calculator that it does all that for us. And I wanted to show you that. Hopefully that's a help. Let me know if you have questions.